For the B part, you're just going to need 2 cuts. You're going to need an F cut with a G. To review that, click here. And you're going to need an high A cut with a C. And to review that, just click here. Íntac, mahu. Hain, do. Okay, so first section. So you're going to go A, B, C, D, breath. And it goes slur, tongue, slur, breath. Sounds like this. Try it with me. Hain, do. Íntac. Okay, now section. Excuse me. Okay, so it goes E, cut with your G onto the F, E, D, E, and it goes tongue, slur. Sounds like this. Try it with me. Hain, do. Mahu. Next section. Now that A I'm going to is the first note of the next phrase, but I'm throwing it in there because it's at the end of a slur. So I want you to go D, C, A, tongue, slur. Try it with me. Hain, do. Mahu. Okay, so now we're going to try the entire phrase. Hain, do. Mahu. Hain, do. So go, right, so the first section is A, B, C, D, tongue, tongue, slur. Try it with me. Mahu. Okay, next section. So it goes C, D, E, and it goes tongue, slur. Try it with me. Hain, do. Mahu. Next section is, so excuse me. So it goes cut with your C onto the A, G, E, D, C. So it goes slur, tongue, tongue, slur. Listen to this. Hain, do. Okay, now let's try that together. Hain, do. Mahu. Okay, now let's try the entire frosted though. Hain, do. Bear with me. Hain, do. Hain, do. So it goes. So that phrase is just, that little section is just like the first section in Frosa Hain. So we'll presume you know that. Now, next thing you do is you go, and that little section is identical to Frosa Hain. So we'll presume you know that. And then the third section is, you go F, G, tongue, tongue. So let's try putting that all together. It sounds like this. Hain, do. Hain, do. Okay, so first section is. So what you do is you cut with your C onto an A, high G, E, C. Okay, and it's all in a slur. Slur. Sounds like this. Do. Try it with me. Do. Mahu. Next section is nice and easy. D, E, D. Tongue slur. Try it with me. Do. Colin. And your last section is just like your last section in Frosa Akar in Quij A. So it goes C, A, G, F, G, tongue slur, tongue, tongue. Try with me. Do. So now how about we try that entire Lena Frosa. Do. Colin. Do. So the second time you do the B part, Frosa Akar is slightly different. You finish on an E, D instead of an F, G. Okay, so how about we just try doing that now? It'll sound like this. Do. I think you're good enough at this point to be able to substitute an E and a D for an F, G without further ado. So let's give it a go. Do. Do.